This is Isabel from the Cognito Forms team, and in this video, I'll show you how to manage your entries. To view your entries, click on your form's title. By default, the Entries page displays all your entries in one view. To view an individual entry, just click on it. If you have a lot of entries and you're having trouble finding a specific one, you can open the filter to filter by status, or you can use the keyword filter to search for specific text entered on the form. For example, I've just submitted an employment application that includes my name in a text box field. So if we search for Isabel, that entry will show up. Once you open your entry, you can make the window larger or smaller by dragging it along the edge. From here, you can view all your form fields and download any uploaded files. You can also see the entry number, which serves as a unique identifier for this entry. In addition to the entry number, each entry has a status. Statuses help you keep track of entries as they flow through different phases of your workflow. If you're dealing with a payment form, you can view the payment status and refund payments without leaving Cognito Forms. When you want to edit an entry, just start typing into any of the form fields. At the bottom of the entry, you can save or discard your changes, as well as perform any available workflow actions. At the top, you can save the entry as a PDF or Word document, share role-based workflow links, or manually send a notification email. You can also mark the entry as unread, print it out, or delete it. Finally, open the activity log to see the entry history, which includes actions performed on the entry, the email delivery status, and more. If you'd like to create a new entry, click the New button in the upper right corner. If you're collecting a lot of data, or if you have a form with multiple workflow steps, organizations on the Pro, Team, or Enterprise plans may want to create additional entry views. Entry views can help you organize your data so you can quickly access specific entries. This form, for example, has 4 additional entry views. These are displayed under the form title in the sidebar and also at the top of the Entries page. To create a new view, click the plus icon next to your entry view titles, then select New Grid View from the dropdown. Give your view a name, customize the view settings to your liking, and save your changes. Once you create your view, you'll need to adjust the filtering option or sort based on your own custom criteria. You can also add or remove a column for every field on your form, excluding certain field types like repeating sections and tables. Once you're done setting up your view, be sure to save your changes. You can reorder views by clicking the entry view title and dragging them to your desired location. There's a lot more you can do with entry views, including creating user-specific views for your team members, or even creating tasks for guest users. If you'd like to go deeper into the subject, you can find links to more detailed tutorials in the YouTube description. Finally, let's talk about the Actions menu. These options allow you to perform certain tasks on one or more entries. Start by selecting the specific entries you want or the entire entry view. Then you can use these options to do everything from marking entries as read or unread, changing the entry status, exporting entries, downloading attached files, or deleting entries. When you export entries to Excel, keep in mind that repeating section or table field data will be included in its own worksheet within the exported file. If you'd like to import entries from Excel, click the ellipsis at the top to find that option. That's all we're going to cover in this video, but if you'd like to learn more about managing entries in Cognito Forms, you can find more information in our user guides, or you can reach our team directly by submitting a support request.